Kelvin here. Thanks for coming back. Today's episode, Gareth and I on a jet ski in Dubai, pretending we're VIPs cruising past the Burj Al Arab in Atlantis. We'll keep this short so you can get back to your snacks. The Persian Gulf gave us the full experience. Rough waves, strong wind, and a jet ski that wouldn't stop jumping. It was choppy the whole way until we finally came. 10 minutes of jet ski gymnastics later, we arrived at the Burj Al Arab. We weren't alone out there. A guide followed us the whole ride, filming, giving directions, and making sure we didn't accidentally end up in the crowd. Minimum age to drive a jet ski here is 16, so Gareth was in charge, and I just rode shotgun at the back, soaking in the breeze, and doing absolutely nothing. Second destination reached, Atlantis and Palm Jumeirah. Here we are at our last spot, Atlantis The Palm. Time to return, legends. Next 10-15 minutes are just us flying over waves at full speed. Middle of the ocean means no pit stops, just hang on tight. Back at Raising Cane's today, since it's nowhere else in the Asia Pacific, we're making the most of it before leaving Dubai. Eat all the chicken, right?